Hi, I'm Eric Lenask. We're here at Editor's Day in Santa Clara. On the program with me now is Justin Miller from pHin. Justin, good to have you on the program with us.
Great to be here. Thanks.
So, for anybody who's ever owned or knows somebody who's owned the pool, they're an awful lot of fun for kids, families, what have you. They can be a little bit difficult to maintain. I can tell you from experience.
Yeah.
All the different the chemicals you need to get in there and maintain the proper levels. How do you help? Talk to me about pHin.
So pHin starts with a little device. It floats in your pool or your hot tub. Mm-hmm. It monitors your water chemistry 24/7. Talks with your smartphone. So whenever you need to adjust the chemicals, it'll send you an alert to your smartphone, and it'll say, hey, it's time to add some chemicals. But what we've also done is we've partnered with the chemical manufacturers to create color-coded, water-soluble pods. So, for example, it'll say, toss in 2 green pods and a blue pod. You just take it, you toss it in your pool or your hot tub, and you're done. That's it. The water chemistry is balanced and maintained. But every once in a while, we know there's going to be some times when you want to get some extra help, some professional help. Maybe your filter needs backwashing or your pump breaks or whatever it is.
Sure.
All you do is you tap a button on the mobile app, and we'll send someone out to fix it. So we've built out a service network. It's kind of an Uber for pool service. We've pre-certified the technicians and pre-negotiated the rates. You tap the button, someone comes out, takes care of it. So it really simplifies pool and hot tub care, making it really, really easy for everybody.
Interesting. It almost sounds like you've created a pool maintenance for dummies situation.
You know, we don't like to think about it for dummies. It's really for everybody because everybody wants to have a really simple and easy time with their pool, right? Pools should be, our philosophy, pools should be fun, not work. You don't want to spend your weekends taking care of your pool. You'd rather spend your weekends in the pool or by the pool with your family.
So in order to get started, first of all, where does one get the product?
Right. So right now we are selling pHin on phin.co,
Okay.
phin.co, and it's in a pre-sale. So we expect to be shipping in the early half of the year, actually end of Q1. Right now we're taking pre-orders, and we've got great discounts available right now for about another few days, another week or so.
Do you have a battery powered, or does that have to be plugged in?
No, the device has a lifetime battery in it. It never needs charging, never needs replacing. If the device ever fails, we'll ship you a new one. So the price is really what you're paying for is all the chemicals. So we ship you the chemicals as you need them in these color-coded pods. Mm-hmm. When you run out, we'll ship you more. So the subscription includes chlorine, includes shock, pH up, pH down. All that's included. If you ever need anything else, we'll also send you that as well. Mm-hmm. Obviously, a small fee for that. But as you run out of chemicals, we'll ship you more. If the device ever fails, we'll ship that to you also for free.
What's the cost model? How much is it going to cost?
So we have different plans. So
Mm-hmm.
if you've got a pool versus a hot tub, if you keep it open
Sure.
year-round or just for the summer. So just to give you an example, if you have a pool, you keep it open year-round, the subscription for all those chemicals is $499 for the year. Right now, we've got an early bird special going on for $399. So $399 gets you 12 months of all those chemicals you need, as well as the monitor and the mobile app, and access to the service network.
Oh, very interesting, very neat. Obviously, there's some, it takes a little more early season, opening the pool,
Yep.
and certainly some things that you need to do closing the pool at the end of the season.
Right.
How do you help there?
So we do a couple things. So first of all, if you are a seasonal customer and you need to open your pool and close your pool, we can either provide you with the chemicals you need or connect you to a service tech who can do it for you. Either way.
How do you find or how do you connect with the folks that provide the services?
Yeah. So when we first started launching, we had a lot of inbound requests from these service techs that really see this and see the value it brings to them. It allows them to raise their margins. They can spend less time testing chemicals and more time taking on the better projects for them, fixing things. So we have a lot of inbound requests from them. But then also we're reaching out to some of the larger companies and some of the medium-sized companies and making sure we've got coverage nationwide for all of our customers. So we basically have a heat map of where our customers are, and we try to make sure we've got service techs in all those areas.
Is it a time frame or a time window that you have for a tech getting out to a customer site?
Within 3 days. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. We can get there faster if need be, but that's our standard window.
How do you connect? What's the connectivity to the smartphone?
So the device ships with BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, but we're also shipping a hub. It's a Bluetooth to Wi-Fi bridge that you plug in, in your kitchen or someplace where you have line of sight to your pool, to your backyard, as well as Wi-Fi connection. and the device then can talk with that throughout the day, and it constantly is sending up data to our servers, which then go back to your mobile phone. So whenever you go on your mobile phone, you check, you see the current status of your pool or hot tub, temperature, and so forth.
What kind of a range does that hub have to the pool?
It varies based on all sorts of things, having to do with the construction and line of sight and so forth. But, call it 100 feet, give or take.
So once you get outside of that range, there may be some limitations.
So
but for the most part,
yeah, for the most part,
accommodate people.
Exactly. And if there's ever a situation where the range isn't great or where there's some connectivity problems, we'll let you know. The mobile app will give you an alert and say, hey, just walk near your pool every once in a while, right? And it'll say, oh, just walk near your pool. Okay, I've got it, and go. So that's it.
Well, it also makes it a whole lot more convenient for folks who travel or who
Exactly.
go on vacation. You don't have to explain to your neighbor what to do.
Exactly.
Just let them know, okay, you got to put in a red one, or please put in a green one. Or
Also great for
whatever.
vacation homes, anything like that, where they can say, oh, yeah, this is good. And you can just call up someone and say, toss in 2 red pods for me, please.
Justin, where'd you come up with the idea?
I was actually just at a barbecue with my friend and my co-founder, Mark. I've got a pool. He's got a pool. We were sitting down together, eating, families together. And we just started talking about what I was going to start working on next. And we started looking at our pools and thinking, there's got to be a better way. And that's where it came up from.
Now, for folks who maybe have local businesses that they like to work with, but obviously the monitoring system is going to still be a huge benefit.
Yeah.
You're going to offer the monitor as a standalone product without the...
So not currently. So right now we're starting with the monitor as only as part of the subscription. But what we do suggest, if you've got a pool service technician you really like, first of all, recommend them to the service network because we'd love to get them involved and introduced. But then also, you keep working with them. So let's say you decide to buy from us. You can say, all right, these are the guys I want to keep working with, and they'll be your guy. As long as they're certified to do the jobs you need, they can keep being your pool service tech.
Fantastic. And how soon are you actually going to be available?
End of Q1.
Fantastic.
Yeah, before the swim season starts.
Excellent. Well, hey, Justin, thank you so much for being here.
My
Fantastic
pleasure.
information.
Thanks very much.